Good morning. Happy Saturday. That's when I'm recording this. And today I wanted to share with you guys really quick what I currently carry every day. So this case I got from Amazon. It's pretty similar to the Galen leather case, but a lot cheaper. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I can share the link because Sharon is carrying. So these are the pens that I currently carry every day, and I have been for the past month. And just a quick share, I have a mechanical pencil, tweezers, and a ruler in here that I carry also. But here are the babies that I carry this month, and I use all of them all the time. So it makes sense to me. So first up is the Write Tech retractable fountain pen. This one is the left-handed one because I am left-handed. This is a very good beginner-friendly pen. And this was actually one of the first pens that I purchased when I started getting into fountain pens because of the price point. And I will say that it is one of my favorites. It writes really well. And I have nothing bad to really say about this pen. But if you're looking to start, this is the way to go for sure. And then the next one is my Kaweco Sport. And this one is in coconut. And she has an extra fine nib. Love her. This is my first Kaweco purchase. And I have to say, I'm so happy with it. I really like these pens. I like the size. I like how compact and how small they are and so easy to carry. I do need to get the clip because I believe the clip would be helpful, but super, super happy with this pen. And then this right here are my two babies that I love so, so much. This right here are my Eco Twisbees, my Twisbee Eco pens. And yeah, my husband accidentally dropped her and she broke, but I'm not going to get rid of her because of a cracked cap. That's fine. She still writes very well. And this one is in cafe and this one is in espresso. So the espresso one, she is a medium nib. She's a medium nib. And this one here is what do my notes say? Extra fine nib. And I have to say that these by far out of all of the fountain pens that I've gotten are one of my favorites. They write so well. The ink reservoir is huge. So when I ink it, I'm using it because I'm constantly writing. I'm journaling every day. I write for work. I'm constantly taking notes. So this one right here, these right here are my favorites. And then this one here is my Genhao. And I'm going to say it's the Genhao 100 Classic Fountain Pen. I thought it was in my Avicine. Oh, God, I really got to get better. Asvine pen, but it's not. This is my Genhao 100. And this is a beautiful, beautiful pen. And she writes so well. And she's very heavy. And she's just so pretty, isn't she? She's so pretty. So these are the pens that I'm currently using. And then I'm going to show you what I have currently inked in my pens. So right now, we're going to use my Midori Hibono notebook because I'm still trying to find a purpose for her. So I figured why not use this page to do a little quick ink swatchy swatch, shall we? So these fountain pens, the Write Techs, come with these little cartridges when you buy the pen. and it's just basically a black ink. And so it's super easy to use. You just pop them on and and I believe you can refill them with on the syringe. Haven't really tried, but I believe that's you can buy these. It's totally up to you. But let's go ahead and zoom in. So let's do a little very pigmented. Let's see. Sorry for my dog. No skipping, super smooth. And she is in the color. Yes, buy this pen if you are looking to get a fountain pen. She's a keeper. The next Kaweco, and she is inked with the blue cartridge that they come with. I didn't have a converter at the time, so I did need a blue pen, so I just used her, and I'm not complaining at all. So let's give her a little swatchy swatch. Okay, we like her. So see, she writes so well, so well. So if you're looking to buy a friendly pen, I'm so sorry. My dogs are the absolute worst. This is her. This is the one that you get right here. And so let's swatch these two. So in my cafe, in this one, in the extra fine nib, I have the Armantis Deepwater Obsession in black. This is the document ink, and I love this ink so much. I really do. I have it in black red, and I have it in brown black. And this is the one that I use in this pen, and it's one of my favorites for sure. So let's give her a little swatchy swatch. Ugh, she just writes so well, so well, so well. I might have spelled that wrong, but whatever. Smooth. You cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong at all. She is gorgeous, Gorgina, like they like to say. This medium nib one is actually inked with my Robert Oster in burgundy chocolate notes. It is one of my favorite colors, and I had a sample of her, and then I had to buy the big one because I love this ink so much, and she deserves a medium nib. So let's go ahead and swatch her. Stunning. tell me she is not stunning. And then let's just give her a little. And just the fact that the TWSBIs are so smooth. This right here is probably one of my favorite colors to journal in currently. So I do use her a lot. And I love her. And I'm thoroughly surprised that I like the medium nib because TWSBI nibs tend to run a lot bigger than what they say. That's what they're known for. But either way, love her. And then the last one is the Jinhao 100, my nice heavy pen. And she is currently inked with Color Versus Coffee Break, another stunning brown ink. This is a very good brand. I've had her for a while. I use her very often. I ink her up in quite a couple of my pens. But love, love, love this color. So let's go ahead and get her inked for you. No skipping. So really like smooth, just stunning. And I have to say, she's so heavy in the hand and she feels so good to hold. It's amazing. So let's break. Oh God, I'm so new to this. It's so sad. But I guess it's part of the charm. But yeah, these are the ones that I currently have. I promise, guys, I'm gonna so get better at this. But this is where I'm at right now. These are my currently inked. Let me just show you again. My little swatches. And I would love to know what you guys are carrying because when I tell you that I binge watch almost all videos on Instagram, IG, and YouTube, I am so obsessed with everybody's swatches and everybody's current pens and their inks. I can get lost in this rabbit hole for hours. But thank you for allowing me some of your time to talk about my little currently inked collection. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday. Okay.